In this video, I'll show you how to unblock blocked websites using a VPN. Sometimes you'll find that certain websites or apps are restricted maybe by your school, workplace, internet provider, or even by the country you're in. It could be social media sites, streaming platforms, or news pages that just refuse to load. But don't worry, a VPN can easily help you bypass those restrictions safely and privately. A VPN, or virtual private network, works by encrypting your internet connection and routing it through a secure server in another location. When you connect to a VPN server, your IP address changes to that region, so websites think you're browsing from somewhere else. That's what lets you unlock content or sites that were previously blocked in your area. Here's how to do it, step by step. First, check the link in the description to try NordVPN. For a great price, it's one of the best VPNs for unblocking restricted websites. Once you've signed up, download the NordVPN app on your device, whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, Android, or iPhone. After installing, open the app and log in. On the main screen, you'll see a world map and a list of countries. Simply choose a country where the site you want to access is not blocked. For example, if a website is blocked in your country, connect to a server in the United States, United Kingdom, or another region where it's accessible. Then tap Connect. Once connected, your traffic is encrypted, and your IP address now appears as if you're browsing from that country. Go back to your browser and try opening the blocked website again. It should now load without any restrictions. If the site still doesn't open, try clearing your browser cache or switching servers. Sometimes, certain servers can get overloaded or temporarily blocked, so switching to another nearby location usually fixes it. You can also change the protocol in NordVPN settings. NordLynx is great for speed, but OpenVPN over TCP is better for stubborn networks that use stronger firewalls. For extra privacy, enable the kill switch and threat protection features inside the app. The kill switch ensures your real IP won't leak if the VPN disconnects, and threat protection blocks malicious or tracking websites automatically. That's it. Now you know how to unblock any website safely using a VPN. Check the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price and browse the web freely without restrictions.